Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Aktab, and in front of all of you, I am presenting the Business Line newspaper headlines. So, first of all, Quarter 3 gold demand tops pre-pandemic level. Next, FPI exit government bonds on delay in global index lot. Next, monthly EV registration across the 1 lakh mark for first time in October. Then we comes to the page number 4 on that. Car makers continue to party with festive October sales. Next, Nifty 50 companies spent rupees 7,796 crore on CSR last fiscal. Next, Procter and Gamble set up rupees 200 crore Technovate fund. Next, Wolfspeed Inc. to supply semiconductor to JLR. Next, Vetsa Ramakrishna Gupta is now BPCL chief. Then next, we comes next. Tech Mahindra Quarter 2 profit declines 4% to rupees 1,285 crore. Next, Wheels India may cut back capex on higher cost drop in exports. Next, ATL will focus on 5G rollout rural market in coming year. Next, Flipkart wholesale post 19% jump in financial year 2022 revenues. Net loss surge 39%. Next, Mazda to be Coca-Cola next $1 billion baby in 2 years. Next, Apishes Quarter 2 net loss at rupees 298 crore. Then we comes to page number 5 on that Amrit Lal Meena assumes charge has coal security. Next, power consumption grows to 115 billion units in October. Next, Financial Minister presses for consensus on crypto regulation at G20. Next, at 5.3, manufacturing activity records strong growth in October. Next, manufacturing sector sees more hiring in Quarter 3. Next, CBDT unveils draft common ITR form. Then next, spend for HI financial year 23 not low. Civil Aviation Minister. Then we comes to page number 6 in that India INC balance sheet stronger than in the pre-pandemic era. Next, PNB Quarter 2 net down 55.3% on higher provisioning. Next, Make My Trip narrows set net loss to $6.7 billion in Quarter 2. Next, Cover Genius rises $70 billion in Series D funding. Next, Niva Bupa IDFC first partner for Bancassurance. Next, banks trade rupees 275 crore of gilts via e-rupee of day one of CBDC launches. Next, BSNL and MTN to issue sovereign guarantee bonds within 2 weeks. Next, Sun Pharma Quarter 2 net up 10.5%. Next, rupee outlook uncertain. Next, LIC Housing Finance Quarter 2 PAT up 23% on steady distribution. Next, non-banking lender and new growth rises $20 billion from DFCs. Then we comes to the page number 8. It's an article section in that two chairs. Next, the UK resolving door leadership. Then we comes to page number 9. In that financing green housing. Next, is MPC responsible for inflation? Then next, G20 nations spend $700 billion on fossil fuels. Then we comes to page number 10 on that Adani stock find favor with LIC. Next, SEBI slaps rupees 59 lakh fine on 9 in Bombay dehying case. Next, LIC stake crosses 5% in Tata Motors. Next, first median gets SEBI note for rupees 800 crore IPO. Next, US stocks rebound amid solid corporate earning. Next, SEBI imposes fine of rupees 21 crore on 52 entities in Lalighar Finfest case. Next, Sensex rallies for fourth day, breaches 61,000 mark. Next, Medanta rupees 2,205 crore IPO opens tomorrow. And then we comes to page number 11 on that OMC's retract fuel price cut. The next, Karnataka Bank Quarter 2 profit zooms to 8% to rupees 412 crore. Then we comes to the page number 12 on that rice procurement up 12% on early start but drop 60% in UP. Next, natural gas goes short at current level. Then next, government allows duty-free paddy export to Nepal. Next, IMD predicts above normal rainfall in November. Next, UPL Quarter 2 net profit up 28% at rupees 813 crore on higher realization. Next, IG International SNFL Group eyeing pact to grow grape cultivators. Next, tractor in 40 to 50 horsepower segment are now the top seller. Then we comes to page number 13 on the textiles PLI 2.0 after more consultations. Next, India Australia joint ministerial panel likely to meet early next year. Next, Giridhar Armani takes charge as defense security. Next, ABB India opens a smart instrumentation factory. Next, Zazira Airways launches direct flight to Bengaluru. Next, data pattern in talk with Tata's to supply components of C295 aircraft. Next, GAIL ADNOC Explorer LNG supply pact. Next, Birla Management Institute get AACB SB accreditation. Next, how first fully solar Gujarat village has lit up the lives of residents. Next, CJI rescues from hearing AP appeal on state capital. Then we comes to page number 14 on that Google pause in app billing policy. Next, Musk is now Twitter CEO. Twitter CEO. Next, UPI payment cross rupees 12 lakh crore mark in October on festival season spending. Next, BP post quarter three profit of $8.515 billion. Next, Johnson and Johnson to buy a bond in $16.6 billion deal. Next, Russia must be expelled from G20 says Ukraine. The next, Jamshed Irani, still man of India, passes away. Next, Games 24/7 launches rupees 400 crore fund for early stage startups. Then that much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.